Hey guys, this is AJ back with another video, and today in this video let's see what are the new changes the June 2020 update brings to the Galaxy S10 Lite. So without any further ado, let's get started. So firstly, let's see what are the changes in the update. So first, it is mentioned that overall stability of the functions improved. Second is camera picture quality has been improved. Third is the stability of camera has been improved. Fourth is the quality of audio has been improved via the speakerphone as well as earphone. Then next is the performance of fingerprint recognition has been improved. And the next is the following functions have been deleted. So the mirror link function, which was present previously, has now been removed in this new update. And then the next change is that the security of the device has been improved. And here it is also mentioned that a software update can include but not is limited to device stability, improvements, bug fixes, new or enhanced features, further improvements to performance. So the things which I have observed after this update is that firstly, my device was rebooting frequently whenever it was in idle mode. So now that issue has been fixed, and some users were reporting that there is a green tint issue. So I have not experienced such issue in my device. And here below it is mentioned that now the version will be updated to G770FXXU2BTF3, and the size of this update is 347.23 MB, and the security patch level here is 1st June 2020. So the update of One UI 2.1 has also been added to the Galaxy S10 Lite. So if you have not watched that video, I will leave here in the cards itself and below in the description as well. So go and watch that video if you want to know what are the new changes which are present in One UI 2.1 in the Galaxy S10 Lite. The next change is that many users were asking me that is the fully manual mode available in S10 Lite's camera mode. So here in the mode, as you can see, I will switch to the Pro mode. Yes, so in the Pro mode, as you can see, the options which are available to us are only the ISO, white balance and exposure. These are only the three things which we can change in the Pro mode, and the same is with the Video Pro mode. So in the Pro Video mode, as you can see, only these three options are available, and otherwise the device is now working fine. So the performance of the fingerprint scanner, so as you can see, it unlocks the device quickly, and otherwise I have not faced any of the issues till now with this new update. So if you have not updated your device to the 1st June security patch, then go ahead and update your device. The device is working in stable condition and no other issues have been observed to me as of now. So if you like this short and simple video for the Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, then do give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Till then, this is Abhishek signing off. You guys have a great day. Bye bye now.